Let's get into the topic you guys came here to talk about. How to optimize your dollars, whether it's busy or slow. That's what I came here for, right? So let me give you a couple of tips. Number one, time to get my day started. Let's go. We start off with a brisk walk. We do about 10,000 steps. Then we go into dumbbells, about 25 pounds, 3 sets. Now we gotta get a little bit of water in, get the gallon of water, get the snacks in for the day. It's gonna be a hot one out here, so gotta be prepared. After filling up my water bottle, I go ahead and get into the shower and I get ready to go. Throw on the kicks. I'm really big into shoes. What shoes y'all be rocking? Y'all be fly out here? What y'all do? Now it's time to hit the road. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything Miles and Money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you going like this. Let's get into it. I got a banger for y'all for today's video. How to optimize your earnings even when it's slow. But before we get into the video, let's go ahead and do a couple of deliveries. But first, let's turn on these apps. Okay, first order of the day, we got a Lowe's, a $13 6 mile. There's 3 items. This should take fairly quickly as long as it's not busy in there. Lowe's is normally a quick store to get in and out of, so I don't mind taking these shop orders. It seems like the shop orders has really been picking up lately. As long as it's bringing the money, I don't care how I get it. Let's just get it. Let's go ahead and knock this order out. Let's go. Now, that was a fairly easy pickup. That was the Lowe's order, 3 items. Now let's go ahead and drop it off. That was smooth, no problems, in and out. It's hot out here, but hopefully that'll just keep things moving. Let's go ahead, let's get it. We are reaching the drop-off location for the first order, the $13 6 mile. Let's go ahead, drop this off so we can get on to the next order. Let's go. All right, gang, we just got our second delivery. It's a 2 mile, $8 pickup at McDonald's. Normally I like picking up from these restaurants, but I'm gonna pick it up today. The day just getting started, so let's go ahead and knock this order out. About to pick up my second order, the McDonald's order. But I just want to ask you guys, during these slow times, during these slow months, are you guys waiting for football season to start back up? I know. I don't know all you guys are avid sports fans, but the ones who are, you got to tell me you're waiting for football season, because the summer months be the slowest time for sports. Man, there's nothing on television. Ain't nothing to watch unless you watch baseball. There's nothing wrong with baseball, but it's a slow game. And I love football and I love basketball. Right now, there's none of that on television. Sucks. But we're going to get through it. You guys let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite teams? If you like basketball, baseball, if you're better, let me know. We're going to be doing it all on this channel, talking sports, talking the whole 9 yards. For men and for women, the avid sports fans, let me know. I'm a Commanders fan and a Wizards fan. I know. Sucks. Not the Commanders part, but the Wizards, they're not a good team. As of late, I've been liking the Knicks. The Knicks have been a really good team as of late. But let me know in the comment section what teams you guys like and what sports you guys interested in. And if you're interested in me talking about any of those other things on this channel, just let me know in the comment section so we can get into it in these videos. Let's go. All right, hustlers, got my next order. Got a $12 2-mile Aldi's order. It's a shop order. It's about 5 items. The one thing I don't like about Aldi's is they don't provide you with bags, and the issue with the cart. You gotta friggin' pay 25 cents to get a cart. I think that's ridiculous, especially the drivers that are coming here and shop these orders. You would think they would have something for us where we don't have to pay and we don't have to buy these bags for these orders. But whatever, we'll go ahead and knock this out and then we're gonna get back into the video. Let's go. Next order on the docket, we got a Target. We got a 3-mile, $9, 1-item shop order pickup. Let's go ahead, knock this order out. It's hot, but the day's going by quickly. So let's go ahead and continue to knock these orders out. Now, let's get into the topic you guys came here to talk about. How to optimize your dollars, whether it's busy or slow. That's what I came here for, right? So let me give you a couple of tips. Number 1, take more shop orders. When it's slow out and the shop orders come in, take more of those orders, especially if you're in areas where there's a lot of CVS's, Walgreens, and whatever your shopping centers are. Stay around those areas to get the shop orders. It seems like with these summer months, parents are home because the kids are home and they're watching their kids, so they're ordering more deliveries. They're ordering more shopping orders. So because they can't shop them themselves. What does that mean for us? That means more earning opportunities for us. So hang around shopping areas so you can get those shopping orders so we can maximize our dollars. Tip number 2, go to busier zones. I know a lot of times when we work in these apps, we like to stay around our areas. We like to stay around the areas we're comfortable with working, staying around closer to our house, so it's easier to go back and forth. But that is not the most efficient way to make money during the slow months. If it's slower in your area, drive to the busier zones. More higher end restaurants brings more higher end customers, which equals more tips for us. So try to work around higher end areas. If that isn't your area that you normally work, go to those areas. We gotta get outside. We have to work outside the box in these times to make money, because it's not as easy where you just turn on the app and you just get things flowing. No, we might have to drive a little bit. So just head to a busier zone, a higher end zone, so you can make more in tips, make more in pay. If you're getting value from this channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's get into the next tip. The next tip is picking the right times to work. See, a lot of times when we work in these apps, we go out thinking that we can work anytime we want, which we can. But if you're trying to look for the optimized times to make the most money on these apps, there are times that you should work. There's the breakfast time, that's 6 in the morning to about 9 in the morning. You can get all the breakfast rush, lunch rush, which is 11 to 2, and then you have the dinner rush, 5 to 9. So if you're not working in those pockets, you are not working in the most optimized times to make money working these gig apps. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. There is no other way around it. Work those hours if you want to make this money, period. You don't have to work all three. Work them any way you want, but those are the hours that you should work if you're trying to optimize your money during these slow months. Now let's get into the next tip. Multi-app. I know. Y'all tired of hearing about the multi-app, but it is the most important tool that you can use during these slow months. Multi-app. You gotta turn on the rest of these apps. It's one app. If one app is slow, the rest of them are slow. So if you could put them all together and form them together like Voltron, so you can go out here and make as much money as you can, then that's what you need to do. Turn on all the apps, pick out the best orders that are going in the same direction as the orders that you picked up previously on the other apps, and deliver it. That's how we're going to maximize our earnings during these slow months. Multi-apping. Got to get on these apps, your DoorDashes, your Uber Eats, your Grubhub, your Roadie, if Roadie's even anything still in your area. Whatever apps you're using, Spark, turn them all on. You see, when I get on, I turn all these apps on when I start my day, because that's the only way that you're going to make any money. Got to turn them all on. So that's probably the most important tip. If you don't have any other apps, download apps so you can get to this bag, because multi-apping is where you need to be. That's where you need to go. But that's all I got for today. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.